So in this video I want to discuss people who are thinking to do your MTech, MS or PhD program in aerospace department, and you are not from aerospace department. Suppose you are from CS, computer science, IT, electrical or civil or automobile, or you are from mathematics background, MSc, BSc, or you are from physics background, MSc, BSc or some other background, and you are preparing for GATE Aerospace exam either in my coaching or in some other coaching. Also the new batch has started for 2026, so you can join my new batch. Link I will put in the description box, and also I will put in the comment box also. You can find through description box. The new batch started yesterday itself, 8th September, and fees is just 7,000. So you can pay and you can start, and everything is available there. Live class recordings, assignments, all proper practice questions with solution, online test series with solution, exactly like a gate pattern. Everything is there. So you can join me. My name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 8 times, and also I'm an IIT and I have done my MS from IIT, and I'm currently pursuing my PhD in aerospace department from IIT Madras. So I want to say something very special here. If you are thinking that in your MTech, MS or PhD you are going to study entire aircraft, no, it is not the true thing. In your BTech level, UG level or BE level, there you understand all the aircrafts, all the anatomy of the aircrafts, all the small parts of the aircrafts, but not in detail, but everything you will study in that your UG subject. So if you have missed your UG in aerospace or aeronautical department, and then you are thinking that in MTech, MS or PhD you will study these things in detail, no, you will not study these things in detail, because MS MTech becomes very narrow, it becomes very specific about something, and then in PhD you will be completely different. So if someone is doing, suppose, PhD in aerospace department, suppose right now I am doing PhD propulsion, aerospace department propulsion I am doing, so I will not be working on the entire propulsion system, on the entire engine. I will not be improving the entire thrust of the engine. No, it is not like that. There will be some problem. That problem either will be from my side and I will join the professor, and we both will solve the problem, or professor will be having certain problems or certain projects from ISRO, DRDO or other country, some project will be there, so I will be solving that problem. So you, but one advantage I will tell you, if you are in aerospace aeronautical field, but UG you have not done in this, but you are planning to do your master degree or PhD in this, so in that case, suppose you are joining IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IISc Bangalore or something like this, then 1 hour, 2 hours separately you can find out time, and you can sit in the library and you can cover those fundamental topics. You can understand the skeleton of the subject. You can understand all the fundamentals what you have missed during BTech. It is not at all tough. And one more thing, if you will join my coaching for GATE Aerospace, I will teach everything, so their understanding will be developed. Whatever you have missed during your BTech UG level, that I will be covering in your GATE exam preparation. So you can join the course. My phone number you can note down. Do not call me directly, just this is my WhatsApp number. Give me WhatsApp, okay? WhatsApp message 6380135260. So now we'll talk about the job opportunity. If you are not from aero background, suppose you are from CS, civil or any other background, but you are planning to switch into the aeronautical aerospace department, what kind of job opportunities you will have? So guys, job opportunities will be equally for you the way it is for people who are from whose background is in UG also. I mean, they have done aeronautical aerospace background in UG also, and they are doing PG, I mean MTech, MS and PhD. So everyone will be having equal opportunity, because see, when company will come to any IIT, or you are approaching the company from your side, they will just be bothering about that skill what they are looking for you have or not, and that becomes very specific. Even suppose you are from mechanical department or electrical department or CS department, but you know the skill what they are looking for, and a person who is from aeronautical aerospace background, that person is not having that skill, in that case the person will lose the job from aerospace aeronautical. But if you have the skill, you will get the job. What kind of skill I'm talking? For example, suppose there is one internship recently I saw on LinkedIn in NASA. They are looking for simulation, I mean CFD simulation for rarefied gases in this space. So if whoever is perfect in this, they will be getting opportunity for this. Okay, it is not like you have to be from BTech, BTech or BE in aerospace department. No, nothing like that. So I hope you understand. It's and also the placement scenario changes every semester. Yes, guys, transition is happening. Aerospace market is changing a lot. Right now, you see some situation like you may be thinking that I should join IIT Madras, I should join IIT Bombay, I should join this IIT because this year 80% placement, this year 70% placement. Guys, every semester, every politics is changing, geopolitics is changing, new industries, old industries, they are doing lot of transition things. Every semester situation is changing, and I, as per my experience, I am teaching for GATE Aerospace from 2013. This is 2026, almost 13 years. And before that, I myself, I qualified GATE exam. Before that, I myself, I have done my UG. So I have so many years of experience about GATE Aerospace and aerospace industry, how it is emerging, new technologies, where is the job shifting, this that. I am not going to job. Okay, from last several years, my coaching is my only source of income. So I am totally into this. I guide on YouTube, and even though I have less subscribers, but it's fine because we are the diamond in this world. We are less, but we are diamond. We are less available, so that's why I have less subscribers. And not only that, people who watch the video, they be benefited. That itself is fine. You subscribe or not, that is secondary thing. If you subscribe, that is good for me. If you don't subscribe, you are learning something. This itself is giving me happiness, because and even on my videos, that views will not go like 1 lakh 2 lakh, because we are very few, so very few people will watch us. So job opportunities will be changing every semester. Today, if you see that in IIT Madras, if you have 100% placement, it doesn't mean that next semester or next year you will be having same scenario, or in other IITs you will be having same scenario. One more thing, I have seen people from third generation IITs, they are getting placed, even they are not from pure aerospace department, but they are being placed in aerospace company. Mahindra Aerospace, one of my friend, she joined long back. Background was not aerospace, but she joined. So okay, this thing is, after watching this video, few things will be clear to you, few things will be like more confusing. You just give me your comment, what do you think, what kind of answer you're looking for, so I will try to make one video. Right now I'm in my campus IIT Madras, so I found this space to, I was sitting in my library, so I thought let's take a break and let's share something. Thank you.